How do you understand your bail release's terms and conditions? Imagine being released from jail and feeling free, but not quite knowing what rules you need to follow. That's where understanding your bail terms and conditions becomes really important. When you get bail, the court sets specific rules to make sure you show up for your court dates and don't cause more trouble. Knowing these rules helps you stay out of more legal trouble and avoid losing your bail. Bail can be paid in different ways. Sometimes you pay money directly, called cash bail. Other times, a bail bond company helps you pay a bond, which is a kind of guarantee. There are also non-monetary options, like being released on your own recognizance, meaning you promise to come back without paying anything upfront. Conditions might include staying within a certain area, avoiding contact with certain people, or wearing an electronic monitor. Some conditions are simple, like attending all court hearings, while others might restrict your travel or requiring drug tests. Your bail order or release's paperwork lists all these rules. It's very important to read it carefully. If anything isn't clear, ask your lawyer to explain it. Common conditions include showing up at every court date, not talking to victims or witnesses, and not committing new crimes. You might also have restrictions on where you can go or who you can see. Sometimes, you need to wear an electronic bracelet or submit to drug testing. If you break any of these rules, serious consequences can happen. You could lose your bail, be taken back into custody, or face extra charges. Your bail money or bond might be forfeited, which means you won't get it back. Sometimes, the court might increase your bail or impose stricter conditions. That's why it's so important to follow every rule exactly. Avoid common mistakes like thinking the conditions are optional or not paying attention to court dates. Always keep a copy of your bail conditions accessible. Set reminders for your court appointments and check-ins. If you move or change your contact information, notify the court immediately. Ignoring restrictions on contact or travel can cause big problems. If a bail bond company is involved, understand your financial obligations clearly. Missing deadlines or not reporting as required can lead to serious trouble. To stay on top of your bail conditions, keep a copy of your rules with you at all times. Use your phone or calendar to remind you of court dates and check-ins. Talk to your lawyer or pretrial officer if you have any questions or if something changes. Follow all restrictions carefully, even if they seem inconvenient. If you don't understand a condition, ask for clarification right away. Sometimes courts use non-monetary conditions like supervision or electronic monitoring instead of paying money. These are meant to help you stay out of trouble and attend court. They still requiring strict adherence. By understanding your bail terms and conditions and following them closely, you reduce the risk of losing your releases or facing more legal trouble. Always work with your lawyer to make sure you understand every part of your bail agreement. Staying informed and compliant is the best way to protect your rights while waiting for your trial.